How you going? I know it's been a while between videos, but we just thought we'd do a quick trip out here to Strath Creek and the waterfalls. But we just thought we'd introduce you to Scout. She's a 13-week-old purebred Kelpie. I've had her for about 5 weeks now. But yeah, apologies there hasn't been a video for a while, and also apologies for the wind that we've had as a plane flies over there. But you'll be seeing plenty more of Scout around. We've just enjoyed our walk down to the falls. Alright, so I'm not sure how we went in the wind out there before, but this spot here, we just found it, just had a bit of a look around, seen a few people on Instagram have been here. It's actually a spot we hadn't been to before, but it's a short walk down. I'm not sure how many meters it is, but yeah, just follow us down a series of stairs, go down. The first viewing area is probably the ideal one, and I did read towards the end of summer that there's not a lot of water flow down through here. We've had a pretty wet spring. It's now the end of November, so we thought we'd come in and check it out. There was quite a bit of water there. It's quite good, and it is quite breezy as well. So if you want to check it out, Strath Creek Falls in Victoria, and we're about to go find some lunch now. We didn't bring anything with us. We just thought we'd come out for a bit of a cruise. Alrighty, cheers. How cool is this combi we just passed before on the side of the road here? It's at an entry to a private property, but you can obviously take photos and that with it. We're not inside there. Guessing it was a casualty of the Black Saturday fires in 2009. I'm not sure. If you do know, let us know down below. Got a bit of a soft spot for V-dubs. I did have a V-dub Baja many years ago with all the body kit and off-road tyres and hella driving lights and CBs and all that sort of stuff in it, and that went a lot of places in the high country. But yeah, this combi's pretty cool. If you know any more about it, comment down below. Cheers. So we're back home now. I'm just going to see what I can throw together from this trip. I don't know how long the video is going to be or anything like that, but it's good just to head out and about again. Probably a little bit rusty on the old filming side of things. Got a little bit slack out there today and didn't film a whole heap, but yeah, it was a very cruisy drive that you could do in your standard car as well. But it was good just to get out for a look around and take Scout out for a look as well. But I know I haven't done a video for a while, but thanks heaps for hanging around. Hopefully I'll get some more done soon. So if you've liked this one, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of anything you'd like to see or places for us to visit. That'd be awesome. And I will see you all next time. Cheers. Look at her ears folded back.
I know.
Flip them over.
Why?
How you going? I know it's been a long time between videos, but we've got a new little adventure person or dog with us. Oh, start that again.
Adventure person, dog. I was going to share this. What are you doing?